Welcome to this video where we will guide you through the THETA Z1 camera installation. First of all, remove the 4 M3 screws from the 360 camera mount using a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver. Next, we will attach the 360 camera to the mount. Make sure you line up the USB-C port on the THETA to the hole in the camera mount. Use the provided black thumb screw with 1/4 inch thread to secure the THETA. Attach the USB-C connector to the 360 camera. There is only one orientation of the connector at which it will engage properly. Attach the 360 camera mount to the system, routing the USB cable around the plastic screw boss and between the boss and adjacent flat fin. Again, there is only one orientation of the 360 camera mount at which it will engage properly. You can tell this by the chevron on the top and the bottom. Make sure that they are aligned. Finally, reinstall the 4 M3 screws. Do not over tighten the screws or the threaded inserts into which the screws go will get pulled out from the plastic bosses. Confirm that the back of the THETA and the back of the system are aligned correctly. To confirm, the system control panel and the THETA LED screen should be on the same side. Now that your THETA is mounted, power up the system, connect via Wi-Fi and perform lens alignment from the survey settings page.